चलेको छैन र त मेरो कनेक्ट गरेको
Okay, everybody has it on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay, so this, as you can see on the screen, this is the title of your paper, Moot Court Exercise and Internship. What happens is many times in the Viva, when the external comes from the university, you know, it is unexpected, but the first question that he poses is, what is the subject, you know, name of the subject? And the students just answer Moot Court or professional ethics. But then you know, it is just to test you, you know, just to test you as to whether you know the proper name of the subject or not. Just like if you are saying CPC, you know, what is the full form of CPC? Okay, just like that. So the name, proper name of the subject is, that means Moot Court Exercise and Internship. That means it is not just moot court exercise, but there are some aspects of internship also that you need to do. Okay, so this is the moot court setup. I'll tell you in detail what is this setup and why are we actually sitting in this kind of a setup and what is the whole purpose of it. You guys are having it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first of all, I'll give an introduction, just an introduction today. So as you can see the syllabus that is in front of you, I will tell you in detail what is to be covered in this paper, and I will tell you, you know, each unit which is given in this syllabus. So each and every unit is important, not just for the sake of exams, you know, I have to sit for the exam and pass. No, not just for that, but it is helpful for your profession also, legal profession. Okay, when you start practicing, all these will be helpful. So the first unit, as you can see in the syllabus, is moot court. So moot court, under moot court, each student will do at least 3 moot courts. Okay, 3 moot courts. That means I'll tell you what is it. What is this moot court? 3 moot court. You have to prepare a memorial. That means something, you'll have to draft some arguments and then present also. Okay, present the arguments just like a lawyer. I'll tell you in detail. Second unit, observance of trial. Usually what happens is when, you know, the reason also why we are having this online class is, you all are aware, pandemic, right? But, you know, before this, observance of trial means you will have to actually go to the courtroom and sit in the courtroom and, you know, observe the trial and then write down your observation and submit the diary back to me. This is usually what was done by your seniors. So you all are, let's say, unlucky in this matter, observance of trial, you will not be able to go to the court, okay, physically. But then we cannot just skip this also altogether, because as per your you know, BCI regulation, for your advocacy, for your this thing enrollment, this has to be done. You'll have to fulfill this criteria. Okay, so I'll tell you what is to be done instead of that. Okay, third, interviewing technique. This interviewing technique means you will be the interviewer and you are interviewing whom? Your client. Okay, so this particular unit talks about how are you supposed to approach the client, how are you supposed to interview the client. Usually, I'll tell you very honestly, this is completely has been overlooked, you know, this aspect. You know, even when I was studying, you know, from the same college, this particular area was completely skipped. But this is very important. This needs should not be skipped, because the first thing or the first person that we get into contact with when we start wearing that black coat, no, and we start working, is the client. Okay, so when we meet the client, we are supposed to know at least, you know, how are we supposed to talk to the client, how are we supposed to approach the client. Okay, so this will tell you about that, and I'll talk about this in detail as well. And finally, you know, unit 1, 2 and 3 will carry 80 marks in total, okay, for your semester, and 20 marks is completely for your Viva. Okay, so Viva will be asked on the basis of what you have done in unit 1, 2, 3. Okay, is the general idea clear about what is in the syllabus?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll go one by one. The unit 1 that I talked about, no, moot court. What are you supposed to do in mooting is I will not immediately give you problem and I will not say that, okay, prepare memorial and start drafting and start arguing. I will not do that. Okay. Firstly, I will tell you what is mooting. Okay. I'll give you a little background also. Where did it start? And then I will tell you about the structure. That means what is the setup? Why are we sitting in this position, you know, where two people are sitting on the side, judge in the front? How are we supposed to sit, you know, in the setup? And then with regard to researching, how are we supposed to research? Then how are we supposed to prepare that memorial? I will tell you about each and every step. Okay, how to start writing, your memorial. And you are a lucky group because here and students from your semester have actually, I think, won the best memorial in the nationals. Okay, so you already have that, let's say, a draft of a national winning memorial also in your batch. Okay, so you can circulate that, also have a general idea as to what is it exactly. Okay, and besides that, even if you don't have it, I will tell you about how to start drafting your memorial. And then once you have that memorial, how to submit before the court. How are we supposed to now start submitting? Because if you have a memorial, let's say 80-90 pages of memorial prepared, you cannot finish, arguing that memorial in 5 minutes. If you are just reading it out, you will read out, you will at least take 30 minutes to finish that reading, and the judge will lose interest also. Okay, so oral submission is also an art. So what you see in unit 1 is things that will, I will say, in traditional law colleges, which was never taught in the law colleges, and things that were learned, say the ladai padai sikyo bhन्छ नि. So it's like which were learned by the advocates once they started practicing. Okay, so this is one advantage that you have, that your senior also, your immediate senior Sarala, who's practicing under Zola, advocate Zola. Sarala also once told me that, ma'am, suddenly, actually, I just went for adjournment for my senior, but then judge le mala achanak argue garnu bhanyo. So I didn't know how to argue, but then I remembered our oral argument in mooting. Mooting argue. Then the judge was very impressed. Okay. So then she was saying, like, judge was saying, you delivered it very well. So she was saying, like, help. Okay. So that means it is not just for reading and passing an exam. This will be helpful for your advocacy also. Because once you join a chamber or you start practicing on your own, nobody will teach you how to argue in front of the court. Then you will have to do it yourself. If you are not able to do it yourself, then the senior will also feel that, she doesn't know how to, even after 5 years of law school, she doesn't know how to, argue in front of the court. So that kind of a judgment will also be made. So before such a judgment is made, I think it's better you make a first impression, well, before the court, before the your senior also. And I will give you another instance also, because since after this final year, immediately you will be in front of the court, no? Another instance is like your senior also. That time I was in the High Court. Okay, when your seniors used to come to the High Court to argue, High Court ko agar yaunda what happened was one particular, your senior, no, one particular advocate, he froze. He stood there and like he couldn't utter a single word. So nervous bhayo bhanne thyo. Okay, so the judge also asked, like, what happened? Then he actually, literally froze, couldn't move, couldn't speak also. Okay, so then, judge, the first question the judge asked was, which college did you pass out from? So such kind of statements are not very pleasant to hear, you know, because you all have invested 5 years. 5 years is not a matter of joke, you know. Degree college, BA MA, some people will already enter this PhD also. So that amount of time you will have, you know, invested. So you know, the reason that that particular seniors froze was, or let's say a freshers froze, was lack of practice. Our mooting, if you are doing this regularly, you're speaking before the judge, that I'm sure that moment will not happen for all of you. It will never happen. Okay, you will at least be able to speak properly, present your case before the court. Okay, so this is one advantage that mooting will have for you. Okay, so here this in this particular screen that you see, you know, moot structure, what is mooting, I will get to it one by one elaborately. Okay, so very coolly, calmly, I'll take time and talk to you about it. But one thing I need from you is I need the same amount of feedback from you. Okay, I need the same amount of energy and same amount of hard work from you, because you know, I will not just, you know, I randomly give you problem and just say that you have to submit before such time. All these backgrounds, all these you know, things that will help you, I'll you know, get to you one by one. What I want you all to do is, for this unit, unit 1, is whenever I have a class with you, please sit with a notebook, a copy, and a pen. Okay, I will expect that you will take down notes. You know, important material and whatever I'll give you, no problem. But then why notes is because once you're listening for half an hour, 1 hour, thereafter you'll tend to forget. You'll go blank. After 1 or 2 hours, you'll forget. Okay, so you know what you had for dinner last night, you might forget, you know, after 2 days. So it's the simple logic. So why you just sit down with a notebook and pen when I start a paper, when I start a lecture, write down the date, whatever I'm you know, deliberating. I'll give you PPT also, screen also. So write down those points. Note making, in English you have done note making, no? I'm not saying like write down extensively, but bullet points, no? Just make bullet points on the topics that I am discussing every day. So what happens is, after a week or after a month, if you just look back, refresh in your own handwriting, it will be better for you all to you know, refresh all those whatever we have done. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Unit 2, like I said, unit 2 we will be covering observance of trials. So like I said, that you will not be, since you all will not be able to visit the court physically, I think right now courts are also continuing virtually. Okay, so courtrooms are also taking virtual matters. That means the access will be with the judge and the advocates. So first thing that we can do, first option we can do is like, does everybody have a senior assigned? Yes, no?
No, ma'am.
What about your internships? How are you doing your internships?
Ma'am, visiting chambers, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, we were going chambers, visiting chambers.
On your own, separately?
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes, I'm on my own, but student from semester.
no senior?
Ma'am, we are doing on the Ajay Advocate Ajay
Ajay Rathi? Okay, okay.
Yes,
So, okay. Okay, it's fine then. Okay, Ajay Rathi, if with a senior if you are able to sit virtually, you know, then you can record the or observe. Just inquire with your seniors, all those with the seniors. Okay, and let me know if the senior gives access. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. From unit 2, you'll have to maintain a diary. Okay, please write it down. This is very important because this diary also holds some marks. And diary means a court visit diary, separate court visit diary. All your seniors used to submit that actually every Tuesday, Monday. Every Monday they would visit the court. Okay, every Monday they would visit the court, and every Tuesday they will submit the diary to me physically. Then I will have to check the diary and then sign the diary. So that was the thing that was going on till last year. Okay, so but we cannot discontinue this diary practice. You will have to maintain a diary. So today is Saturday, Sunday, Monday. From Monday, all the diary has to be, your diary needs to be started from Monday. If you have checked your timetable, Monday has been given for court visit, right? Have you checked your timetable?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
time has been fixed for you, slotted for you. So for that, you will have to maintain your diary. That means on your diary, you will have to write down the date, that is Monday, and then you will have to write down your observation of the court. So, and you, as you can see on the screen, the links have been given, no? So you will have to observe a civil suit, a criminal trial, and a writ petition. So for civil suit, please log on to any of these links on the right side. Okay, so please note it down. All of you note down the link districts.ecourts.gov.in/Gangtok or/Namchi or/Mangan. Okay, so you please note down this link. Criminal trial also on the same link. And then for appellate court writ petitions or appeals, you can check, log on to hcs.gov.in. Okay, taken it down?
Ma'am, we have to do through online.
Yes. Okay, online means like if you have seniors, you can directly get into your seniors case. Okay, you talk to your seniors and you can directly get into the seniors case and just observe and write down whatever argument or whatever is going on. Just your observation, whatever you are hearing and whatever you are seeing. Okay, in the online. Now, if you don't have seniors, these links, go visit these links. These links, what they have is, you will not find like, you will have the disadvantage that you will not be able to observe physically exactly what is going on, but already recorded huncha your website ma chahi already orders are recorded for cases. Okay, so Monday when we come, no, Monday I'll tell you in detail. Just keep these links. Monday I will tell you about what to do. Okay, write down these links and please keep a separate diary on Monday. I will tell you what are the things that you are supposed to write in your diary. Yeah. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
unit 2 on Monday when you have the court visit, I'll give you in detail what are the things that you're supposed to write in your diary. Okay, so don't worry, just write down just the links today. Okay, written it down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so third, unit 3 in the same syllabus, I'm explaining you the syllabus, okay, right now. Third unit, we have the interviewing technique, that is the client interview. So under this unit, I will tell you as to how are we supposed to meet the client, greet good morning, madam, and what are the things that we are supposed to keep in our mind? Like, can I be relaxed and can I be casual with my client, or What? Who's that yawning? Hmm? Whose audio is on?
Ma'am, it might be Anushri.
Anushri. Anushri, what happened? Anu? Show me a video, Anu. What happened, Anu?
Ma'am, by mistake, I just
Show me a video. Let me see your face, Anu.
Ma'am, I'm trying, but it's not connecting.
Don't try all these things with me, Anu. Seriously. This is very annoying. Seriously, very annoying. If I don't show you all these things, I can skip everything interview. Just prepare 3 memorial, submit before the court, submit it before me.
Sorry, ma'am, it will not be happening again.
If you're so bored, so tired, I can try that method also. If this is not working, no, I can try that method also. Okay, is that better? I will give you 3 problems. Finish your memorial, and then I'll give you a date for submitting your memorial. Then I'll give you a date for giving your argument. Fine? And that way we'll finish the whole syllabus. I passed out from the same college, Sikkim Government Law College, and I know all the difficulties that that you will face when you pass this college without going through practical. That's why I'm going through it in detail. I was looking for an institute where they would teach me how to practice, how to be a lawyer. I had already topped my college, but then I had no idea what to do with my advocacy. I faced it myself. That's why I go through it very meticulously. But if you are bored, then it's fine. It's easy for me. Whichever way you want, it goes to everyone, the entire class. Whichever way you want, we'll do it. Okay. I will not go through this unit 1, 2, 3 in detail, interviewing, how to move, how to write. I will not go through all this in detail. I will just give you problems. Okay, and then I will give you a date, submit the memorial, and I will give you a date, submit your oral submission. 2 ways, either this way or the detail one. So whichever you want, please let me know. Okay, all of you will can submit your responses, suggestion in WhatsApp group. First method, that is just I'll give you problems. It'll be easy for you, very, very light. I'll give you problems, submit the dates within the date, and give me your submission, oral submission within date. This thing is over. My subject is over. First option. Second option, I will go through interviewing technique. I will go through what is mooting, how to draft memorial, how to sit for observance of trial, even it's physically not possible. Option 2, whichever you want, please write me your response in your WhatsApp. So majority, whatever it is, I will take that option. Okay, that method of teaching. Fine. I want each and everyone to respond to that in the WhatsApp, either option 1 or option 2. I will take that method of teaching. Okay, I will not take this he alche lagyo and all. Okay. Okay, so this is, I'll finish with the intro and interviewing technique. And just like moot court competition, you know, this pandemic was a disadvantage. I wanted you all to participate in client counseling competition also. Client counseling would have been very interesting, you know, where you actually interview a client, you know, the organizing team will give you a client, you will have to question the client, and you know, how are you able to give a solution to that problem. Very interesting kind of a client counseling, but you were not able to do that. Let's see, once you go through this, you may be able to sit for a virtual client counseling competition also. Okay, for the very first time in the college, whoever participates in the college, no, this will be the first team or the first time anybody has attempted a client counseling competition. So it will be a challenge for you all also. Okay, so it is very good. And for this also, part 2, if you see internship diary, if you see internship diary means like in the 6th semester, you know, when you were doing administrative law, when I was taking administrative law paper, that time I think I had told you about internship diary. You all are supposed to maintain an internship diary. When you reach 10th semester, you'll have to show me the diary. Do you all remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So I'm talking about that internship diary. So you will have to also show me the internship diary. This is as per the BCI. When you sit for your All India Bar exams, no, that time you'll have to show this fulfillment of internship. So in this paper, you will get marks for internship diary also. So when you fill up the form for All India Bar examination, you'll have to show that you have finished the internship diary requirement also. Okay, so please keep that internship diary at hand, and you will show me whenever I'll ask you to. Okay. And so this is all what's there in your syllabus. Okay. And unit 1, 2, and 3. Any doubts, any question on these topics that we will be covering? Anybody? It's fine, all of you? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
What is roadmap of the interview? I didn't get it.
Roadmap. Okay. Interview.
Roadmap.
Okay, Manisha, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this interviewing technique 1, 2, 3 that I'm just giving you today, no, I will take the lectures in detail. Okay, so I'll discuss everything before the interview. How are we supposed to greet? Okay, right now I'm just giving an overview as to what we will do in this semester. Okay, but since you asked the roadmap of the interview means how do we get to that point of discussing, you know, the client's problem. Because just like when a patient visits the doctor, you know, some patients are very hesitant. No, mala, your problems are, or no, it takes a little bit of time, a little bit of courage, no? Similarly, this legal profession also, the problems that any client will have, they will be a little hesitant, you know. Suppose my suppose my office I've done something, you know, but then there is a case filed against me. So immediately lawyer office mein jane bittike, no client will just open up. Client will not say that मैले यो काम गरेके actually, and then मेरोमा यस्तो case भयो. It will take a little amount of you know, technique from the lawyer to ask certain things, you know, and okay. And sometimes what happens is another aspect is also, first thing I told you is alikiti apthero mancha, las mancha. Second thing also is about ignorance. Law person lie, they will not have an idea as to kunchi kura relevant. In Indian Evidence Act, you have studied what is relevancy of fact, what are relevant fact, what are irrelevant fact, no? But then lay person जुन चाहिँ client आएको छ नि, that client will not have an idea as to मैले यो भनेको कुरा चाहिँ relevant हो कि हैन. You know, some things he might not be able to tell you because he might think that हैन त्यो त अब अलिकति, you know, irrelevant कुरा नै हो. Okay, so like for example, Manisha bhanere Manisha yo hijo rati ke bhayo मलाई story भन त भन्दाखेरि you might be able to say that राति यस्तो यस्तो भयो तर कतिवटा details त skip भइरहेको हुन्छ नि from your mind, no? Detail मा everything जे भयो त you will not be able to say, isn't it? तर from a lawyer's point of view, but you as a lawyer, you know that कतिवटा कुरा relevant छ नि तर उले चाहिँ भनेन skip गर्यो त्यो कुराहरु हो त्यो कुरा त तिमीले एक्चुअली कोर्ट रुममा युज गर्न सक्छ हैन सो त्यो कुरा चाहिँ कसरी निकाल्नु हो त्यो चाहिँ रोड म्याप फर द इन्टरभ्यू okay and all those who are interested in client counseling in this thing competition this competition is about that only कसरी चाहिँ मजाले इन्टरभ्यू गरेर चाहिँ क्लाइन्टको बाट चाहिँ रेलेभेन्ट इन्फर्मेसन निकाल्नु सक्यो यो मान्छेले भनेर चाहिँ जज गर्छ okay the judge will give you marks based on that so this is the roadmap but I'll get to it in detail also your lecture jab linchu ni mo unit 3 ko I'll give you an exercise machale I'll explain everything before the interview KKO okay Manisha is it clear
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay so this is it for now I'll just tell you muting you I'll start tomorrow on the next date so this is what's there in your syllabus number 1 muting ki okay prepare a memorial second important thing is observance of trial I will tell you very repeatedly that you have to maintain a diary I'm telling you repeatedly because this diary will not just be checked by me, but principal sir also checks this diary. So 2 signatures are required from me every week. And then at the end, principal sir will sign, look and sign. So every Monday ko dates and every Monday you'll have to fill up that diary with your observation. So Monday when we have that class, no 2 classes are for moot court. First class I'll tell you ke garnu, kasari garnu. Okay, second class you can go and do your work. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And third interviewing technique 1 2 and 3 these are the 3 things and if you just see look at 1 2 and 3 तीनटै चीज चाहिँ तिमीहरुको प्र्याक्टिसमा काम लाग्छ okay so this is how important this subject is clear with everyone
Yes, ma'am.
okay
Yes,
ma'am.
I will call your attendance over here then okay in that case and then please respond or on WhatsApp where will you want to respond
Ma'am, here.
okay I think I will need it in writing no so WhatsApp ma one by one roll number good morning present ma'am lagaunu la present garda give me your name also those whose names are not stored no so I will not be having their names so from the next time onwards you can give me your present only so this time for the first time present garera give me your name all of you okay so as soon as we finish this you will give me your attendance on WhatsApp clear
Yes, ma'am.
okay then see you on Monday please be present with your diary and I will tell you what to do in your diary okay
Yes, ma'am.
yes
ma'am.
okay
Ma'am, do we have to maintain 2 diaries?
2 diaries yes one for your client this thing just to say 2 diaries one for your court visit that is unit 2 observance of trial okay and then another you already have maintained for your internship no with your senior okay so that diary you should already be having right now because 6th semester 7th 8th 9th 10th whole semester ko sabai hunu paryo tyo with your senior ko diary okay so one diary is for court visit which you will start filling from Monday and another diary अब आफ्नै senior सँग के भयो त्यो चाहिँ अब आफै गर्नु पर्यो from the 6th semester I already told you but then these 2 diaries should be there with you and then your mooting ko लागि चाहिँ I need a copy with you not diary your note copy चाहिँ please keep it ready so that you keep your notes okay
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay so respond on WhatsApp okay okay fine
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.